Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue with EVS 2, chapter number 7, Swaraj First Conquest. Children, this is part 3, and we are going to start this part with new words. So, revise with me. Fortification. 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 Fortification means walls, towers built to protect a place against attack. Mason. Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason. Mason means a person who makes things from stone. Carpenter. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes things from wood. Blacksmith. Blacksmith. B-L-A-C-K-S-M-I-T-H. Blacksmith is a person who makes and repair things made of iron. Water carriers. Water carriers. W-A-T-E-R. Water. C-A-R-R-I-E-R-S. Water carriers is a person who carries water. Possession. Possession. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N. It is a state of having or owing something. Now children, this is the content outline of this part, which we are going to study in this part. So we are going to study about the first capital of Swaraj and Shivaji's rapid progress. But before that, we will take a quick recap of part 1, part 2 and part 3 in short. In part 1, we studied about Torna Fort. Shivaji controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakan and Indapur. All the forts in the Jagir was in the hands of the officers from the court of Bijapur. It was said that the one who controlled the fort controlled the neighboring territories. So without the control of the forts, it was meaningless to think about establishing Swaraj. Now Shivaji waited for a suitable time. He selected Torna Fort, which was in the southwest of Pune, in the Kannad Valley. Now this fort was very famous and it was good for defense. It had two strong machis. Now the two machis were the Zunzar Machi and the other is Budla Machi. Now it was Zunzar Machi was the only access to the fort, but it was very difficult to come to this place as it has high hills on one side and deep valley on the other side. A careless person can easily lose balance and fall in the valley. Now Torna was a strong fort. It was named Torna because the temple of goddess Toranzai was in the fort. This fort was neglected by Adil Shah. That means there were no enough guards to guard the fort and there was neither enough troops nor ammunition. Knowing all this, Shivaji decided to capture Fort Torna and lay the foundation of Hindvi Swaraj. Now in part 2, we studied about the drums of Swaraj begin to sound. With few Mavlas, Shivaji went into the Kannad Valley, swift-footed like a deer, that means very quickly, and courageous like a lion. He captured the important position in the fort. Tanaji Malusare hoisted the Maratha flag at the main entrance and Yeshaji Kank. Now who was Yeshaji Kank? He was a trustworthy and a loyal friend of Shivaji. He posted guards at the important points. The fort was easily captured with the sounds of drums and pipes of Hindvi Swaraj and shouts of Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai was heard everywhere. Now Shivaji named this Torna fort as Prachandgarh. So Torna was renamed as Prachandgarh. Now blessings of goddess Bhavani. Shivaji made a careful survey and appointed officers as Maratha Killedar, Brahmin Sabnis and Prabhu Karkhanas. Now his garrison included with all caste and communities. He did not make any distinction. All were treated equal. Now the survey was done and repair work was started. So when the repair work was going on, they found 4 metal pots filled with mohars. Workers were very happy, they were overjoyed, and they said that it was a gift from goddess Bhavani to Shivaji. Now Shivaji felt that he was working under the benevolent eye of goddess Bhavani. Shivaji used half of the treasure to purchase arms and ammunition and remaining for another project, that is to the southeast of Torna in the hill called Muramdev. Now this hill was steep and of great importance to Adil Shah. Now Adil Shah started constructing a fort, but he left it unfinished. That means he did not build the entire fort. He built it only half and he left it, and the hill was not well guarded. So Shivaji decided to capture it. Now in part 3 we are going to study about the first capital of Swaraj and Shivaji's rapid progress. Now Shivaji climbed up the Muramdev hill and took possession of the partially completed fort, means half completed fort. The treasure that he got in Torna fort was used to complete this fort. He utilized the mohars and the treasure to complete this fort. Now Shivaji named this fort as Rajgarh. Muramdev was renamed as Rajgarh. Now they built Rajmahal, Baramahal and 18 more workshops. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Shivaji's rapid progress. Now Shivaji moved swiftly to capture one fort after another fort in Marvel. Now Bara marvels, that is 12 marvels, was overflowing with joy and excitement. They were all happy in Shivaji's progress and achievements. The Patils and Deshmukhs made friends with Shivaji, but there were some who were jealous on Shivaji's progress. Now these people complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. Now this collector, what did he do? He sent a messenger to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now children, we will learn in detail. We will study in detail this content outline. The first capital of Swaraj. Now children, one day Shivaji climbed up the hill. Now which hill? Muramdev, with select band of his followers, and took possession of the partially completed fort. The fort which was only half completed. Shivaji took possession of that fort. The money found on Torna was used to complete the fortification of Muramdev. Now the treasure which was found on the fort Torna was used to complete the fortification of the fort Muramdev. Now Shivaji named this fort as Rajgarh. So Muramdev was renamed as Rajgarh. Stonemasons, carpenter, blacksmiths, water carriers and other workers, all the people got busy. They built the Raj Mahal, Bara Mahal and more 18 workshops. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Shivaji's rapid progress. From then onwards, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in Marvel. The whole country, known as Bara Marvel, the 12 marvels, was overflowing with joy and excitement. The Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came and swore. They swore faithfulness to Shivaji. But Marvel had its own share of blacklegs. They were highly honored, who were ever ready to put spoke in the fast moving wheel of Swaraj. They were going to make it difficult. Now there were some people who were jealous of Shivaji's success. They complained to Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector dispatched messengers to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now, Adil Shah was very angry. Why? Because of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now, children, we will take a quick recap of this part. Shivaji climbed up the hill with a selected band of followers and took possession of the partially completed fort. The treasure found on Torna was used to complete the fortification of Muramdev. Shivaji named this fort as Rajgarh. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another. Bara Marvel, the 12 Mavlas, were overflowing with joy and excitement. Some who were jealous of Shivaji's success complained to Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector sent messenger to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now children, shall we start with our assessment? Okay. Now read the heading. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. The first one is Dash became the first capital of Swaraj. And the options are Raigad, Rajgarh. And the correct option is very good, Rajgarh. Second one, the Dash dispatched messengers to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. And the options are Collector, Patil. And the correct option is Collector. Very good. The third one, the money found on Torna fort was used to complete the fortification of Dash. And the options are Muramdev, Torna. And the correct option is yes, Muramdev. Fourth one, in Shivaji's time, the whole country was known as Dash. Options are Bara Marvel, Das Marvel. Yes, very good. And the correct option is Bara Marvel. Fifth one, Shivaji captured one fort after another in the Dash region. Which region? Options are Kannad, Marvel. Yes, and the correct option is Marvel. State the following statements are true or false. And the first one is, the Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came and swore allegiance to Shivaji. True or false? Yes. And the statement is true. In Shivaji's time, the whole country was known as Baramaval, the 12 marvels. True or false? Yes. And the statement is true. Jealous of Shivaji's success, they complained to the Nizam Shahi collector at Shirwal. True or false? And the statement is false. Thank you.